Good day guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak your iPhone device. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly what version I'm on, and let's go ahead and wait for it to load. There we are right there. It says my device is up to date. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak your device. This does not require like a computer or anything like that. We're going to go ahead and go into settings now, mate, and go ahead and click general. We're going to go ahead and click on background app refresh. Make sure this is set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now you need to change this setting so your device will be compatible for the installation. Alright, we're going to click back, go back to settings here. And you want to go ahead and look for battery. Now, if you guys have low power mode enabled, make sure just to turn that off. Right there, low power mode, just go ahead and disable that. And what we're going to do now is go back to settings now and click on App Store. Now, this is essential that you do change this setting right here. It says automatic downloads. Make sure that is enabled. A lot of my subscribers were having issues, so you need to make sure that is enabled. Now we're going to go ahead and go to our internet browser. We're going to go to this website right here. Now once you guys get on the site, just go ahead and click Jailbreak. Now this is the tool which will jailbreak your device. It'll install Cydia. It gets all the files ready and everything. And you just need to go ahead and click the jailbreak button. Now it's going to ask if you're sure if you want to jailbreak your device. It is completely safe and it is reversible as well. So if you guys don't prefer the jailbreak, you could always uninstall it later. And yeah, you guys can see it's extracting all the files, getting it ready for your device. And this is working even on iPad as well. So if you guys have an iPad or like an older iPhone, this will work for you. So yep, it is installing all the files. Just wait for it to finish, and that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You will now see Cydia on your home screen. So I'm going to go ahead and close out. It should be done with the download, so just give it a few seconds here, and it should be downloading the Cydia application. Now once you do have this on your device, it is jailbroken, and yeah, you can go ahead and start installing like packages and stuff like that. I will be showing you guys a few of my favorite ones in my next video. But yeah, let's go ahead and just load up into Cydia. And yep, we are in the official Cydia application. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. And like I said, I will be making more tutorials like this in the future. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you guys.